items you will need, and there's links below on Amazon. You're going to need a orange and I'm actually using lemon and a lime squeezer. Very easy. A very sharp little paring knife is very helpful. Tanqueray or any sort of high quality gin. Some orange bitters. Some orange liqueur. I prefer poncho. Very pretty. And a shaker. Halfway full of cube types. A chilled cube glass. There's a link below. You may also use a martini glass. You need to peel your orange. You're going to need freshly squeezed orange juice, which I did with the lemon squeezer. And we're going to need a ½ ounce of that. And we're going to need a ¼ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Alrighty, so very easy peasy drink. We're going to start off with our shaker. And we're going to go ahead and do 2 ounces of Tanqueray, or again, any sort of high quality gin that you have. I do hope that you're enjoying these crab cocktails. Please hit subscribe. There's going to be more crab cocktails coming. And also, I am doing a challenge of losing 40 pounds by your spring break in 4 months and 40 inches of fat. And also reversing the aging process. I just love all those things because I've actually experienced all of those, and so there's going to be coming in the new year. So please hit subscribe and the notification button, please hit like. Okay, orange liqueur. This is more expensive, but of course you could just do any sort of. Alrighty, I'm going to do the dash of bitters. I did orange bitters, so a dash. I'm going to do a little bit more orange juice. I'm going to do ½ ounce of orange juice. So again, this is a full ounce. I'm just going to fill that up halfway. I can do this side. Either way is fine. And a ¼ ounce of lime juice. Alrighty, so we are going to shake that for 15 seconds. But before I do that, I'm going to take the orange peel that I sliced with the peeler on the orangey side to get the oils out. And remember, this has been in the freezer. I just actually store them in my freezer. I mean, that way they're always cold. You don't have to worry about thinking, are they frozen or not? And we're just going to dump that bad boy in, right? Okay. You need to have a little lid and a strainer. And that's going to be 15 seconds of shaking. Alrighty. That's done. You're just going to take the lid off and just pour it into your glass. Cheers.